हाँ जी, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. You are requested to please open your booklet at page number 7. Page number 7 of your booklet. You can come closer, please. Page number 7 of your booklet is supposed to be opened. There is a serial number 1. What's the word? Can, no? So there is a list of models. List of model, no? How many models are there in this column? The number of total models? 46. There are 46 now. So we are going to talk about few models. You can take the serial number, please. Number 1. Then there is, but you don't have pencils. You don't have pens. Am I right? So for number 1, number 9, number 11, then there is 13, 15, and then you will move forward to the next page, page number 8. There is 27, 28, 29, and 30. Please, I need one of you. One of you is required over here. Come over here. My question to you all people is that what can you do? Let me know about your cans. What can you do? Please.
I can try it.
You can
Try.
try what?
Push.
You can try, but what?
I can try to improve English.
Very good. You can try. You can try to improve your English, and if you do it, what will happen? If you try,
Yes.
we're talking about something that you can try. You can try. So if you try, what will happen? You will be successful. You will get something directly or indirectly. Please, what can you do?
I can watch phone videos for long time.
Okay. Okay, sir. Please, hurry up. Okay, as a Silahi, no, as a student of Sila, what can you do, please?
As a student, I can now speak some sort of, or can do some sort of communication.
Okay, you can communicate in English, no, to some extent, please. What does it tell us? No, you're not here to sleep. You're here to narrate.
Yes.
You're here to narrate. No, let me know, what can Mr. Akil Abbas do?
He said that he can sort.
Some sort of.
Should I give you, know that head?
He can
over
some
here?
sort of
Okay.
English communication.
He says that he can do some sort of English communication, no? Or he can talk in English, or he can communicate his ideas to others in English language. Clear? Please, as a student of, as a learner over here at Silla, what can you do?
I can understand the language of Mr. Rafi.
You can understand, no, the language of Mr. Rafi Majal. Please.
He says that he can understand the language of Mr. Rafi Majid.
He can. This is a great achievement. Otherwise, very difficult to understand me. No, meaningless. Please.
I can obey the order of Mr. Rafi.
You can obey now.
Yes.
Okay, what can't you do over here?
I can't enter talk in the class.
Very good. You can't. So that is the next one. No, number 2. Number 2 as well. No. You can't no enter talk during the class. Please.
Mr. Danik says that he can't enter talk in class.
Very good. That's not allowed. Clear? If he does that, there will be something special. Please.
I can ask the questions.
Very good. You can ask any question now. You can ask any question at Sela. Very good. Ji.
Mr. Asad says that he can ask any question at Sila.
He can ask any question at Sila. What kind of question you can't ask?
Sort of vulgar questions and meaningless questions can't be asked.
Absolutely, you can't ask the meaningless question. It will be waste of time. Please,
I can get knowledge from Mr. Timujat.
you can get knowledge from Sela, okay?
Mr. Asad says that he can
He can get
He can
knowledge
get
from
knowledge from
Sela.
Sela.
But if somebody is awakening, if somebody is not sleeping, if somebody is attentive, if somebody is determined, otherwise no use, wherever you are now. This is now your determination, this is your concentration. Please,
I can increase my vocabulary.
you can increase your vocabulary now if you are focused, if you are attentive. Otherwise, now the number of videos are played over here of Mr. Duncan and so on, they won't give you anything. Clear? So you can increase your vocabulary by reading newspaper, by reading no English books, no, by watching English videos. How can we increase our vocabulary? Listen to me, question to you, every one of you. How can we increase our vocabulary?
By using dictionary, by making sentence.
No, one moment, beta, one moment. We can increase our vocabulary by
Using dictionary.
by consulting no the English dictionary. Ji.
Mr. Akil says that we can understand.
We can
We
increase
can
our
increase our
vocabulary
vocabulary by reading the
by
dictionaries.
consulting no the English dictionaries. Ji, how can we increase our
We can
vocabulary?
increase our vocabulary by discussing
Very good. Different topics.
different topics.
Very, or by holding discussion, or by discussing different topics. No, please, what does your brother say?
Mr. Dani says that we can increase our vocabulary by discussing different topics.
Different topics, no, by holding discussions, by sharing our ideas. Please, everybody, every one of you, please.
We can increase our vocabulary from asking questions.
Before you leave, let me know that what can you do, please, in your 24 hours. You can try to buy. You can try to buy. You can try to buy. Yes, I can. Okay, what else can you do? What else can you do? I can speak English. I can write in English. Please, I can understand English. I can operate computer. What can you do? Hurry up, people, hurry up. What can you do? Help him out, please.
I can sleep.
You can sleep, you can sleep, you can eat,
Drink.
you can sleep wherever you want, you can eat whatever you want. Oh, great. Halal, haram, lawful, unlawful. Then, lawful. So you can eat only lawful food, no? What can you do?
I can eat food.
You can eat food.
I
Okay.
can try the Bible.
Okay, you can try the buy.
I can go to the sanctuary.
Very good, you can go, no? Thank you, better this. Allah Akbar. Hani, please.
We can improve our English by listening to Mr.
Very good. We can improve our English vocabulary by listening to Mr. Duncan or by watching Mr. Duncan's video. Ji.
Mr. Zubair says that we can improve our vocabulary by listening to Mr. Duncan.
Mr. Duncan's video. Okay, please.
We can improve our vocabulary to join good company.
Very
Young
good.
generation
Excellent.
hold on English.
Excellent. So you mean to say that we can improve our English vocabulary by sitting with the young people who know English. Clear?
By sitting and by sharing
By-
our ideas.
Very good. By sharing our ideas in English, by expressing our feelings in English. No, this is the way. Ji.
Mr. Dani says that we can increase our English increase our vocabulary by discussing topics and sharing ideas with others.
Very good. No, by sitting with the people who know English, no, who talk in English. Ji, please.
We can increase our English by reading English novels.
By reading English novels, please. Hurry up, move forward.
We can increase our vocabulary by watching English movies.
by watching English movies.
Mr. Zubair says that we can improve our vocabulary by watching English movies.
Okay, next please.
We can improve our vocabulary by sharing knowledge.
Mr. Asad says that we can improve our vocabulary by sharing English.
Thank you. Thank you. At the end. Oh. Please. Next one. See, the question, the next model is number 9. Have to. What? Have to. I have to eat food to quench my hunger. I have to drink water. I have to drink water to quench my thirst. Means if I don't do that, I won't be able. For example, I have to eat food to quench hunger. Means if I don't eat food, I won't be able to quench my hunger. The point is clear? Sure.
I have to listen the music
Okay.
to feel the fresh mind. Yeah,
Okay. You have to listen to the music.
to
No.
to feel mind fresh.
Very, to keep your mind fresh.
Keep
To keep your mind fresh. It means this is the strategy which you have adopted. Clear? Whenever you want to do, you do that. And if you don't do that, you will be at loss, at suffering. Okay, please. I'm just making it very simple now. For success, what a person has to do. For success, what has a person, what has someone to do?
Person has to be faith on Allah Almighty.
Very good. No, the one or that person has to
Faith.
believe, have to trust in Allah Almighty. Please.
The person has to consistent in his work.
The person has to be consistent in his work. Okay.
Person has to work hard.
Very good. Now for success, the one who wants to succeed, he or she, has to.
Work hard.
Okay. Okay.
Person has to take care of his health.
For knowledge, what have you to do for knowledge?
I have to keep practicing.
You have to keep practicing. This is your point of view. Ji, for knowledge.
I have to try again and not lose the confidence.
Very good. You have to try and try again, and not to lose your confidence. This is your point of view.
If
For
I
knowledge.
feel that other people can do.
You very good. You
I
too
can
can.
also do.
Excellent. If someone else can do it, you also can do that. Very good. No. So
I have to join the good teacher. I
Oh.
have to join the company of intelligent and competent teachers.
teacher for knowledge. For knowledge, you have to please.
I have to regular instead.
You have to be regular, to be punctual, to be honest. Clear? To be. Next, please.
I have to surf the internet.
You have to surf the internet. No, for knowledge, please, for information.
I have to asking the person for knowledge.
You have to ask questions for knowledge. Very good. That is the first, you can say, some sort of the very first thing you can do for knowledge, for getting knowledge, that is question. Very good. Question leads to knowledge.
I have to sweet work for knowledge.
You have to.
Sweet work for knowledge.
What's that?
Hard.
You are very good. You have to work hard. You have to work sharply. Clear? You have to work regularly. For what? For knowledge. For knowledge. Let me know, for running the affairs of your house, your domestic affairs, what has your father to do? आपके अब्बू को क्या करना पड़ता है घर के मामलात को चलाने के लिए?
My father has to be regular in his
Very good. Your father has to be regular in performing his duty. Please.
Father has to wake up early.
Your father has to wake up early in the morning. No? If he doesn't do so, it means there will be no success in those affairs. Very good. Ji. What has your father to do, clear, in making your household or domestic affairs success? Ji.
My father advised my mother and us.
He has to advise every member of the family, please.
My father has to do things on priority.
Very good. Your father has to do the things according to the priority. What is to be done first and what is to be the next one. Clear? Priority. Ji.
My father has to earn money.
Very good. He has to earn, your father has to earn money. Clear? To run the domestic affairs successfully. If he doesn't earn money, there will be no running of affairs. Clear? They will get failed. Ji.
My father has to give more time to his friends.
He has. If he doesn't give that, what again? Has it some link with the affairs of your house that he spends most of time with his friends, no? It has no logical, you can say. If he has some job that for running that job successfully, if he meets his friends, and that friendship that increases his sources, then it's okay, then okay, otherwise it doesn't make any sense. Please.
My father has to work hard for his success.
Very good. Your father has to work hard. Very good. What has your mother to do? To run the domestic affairs successfully.
My mother has to be polite with other.
Very good. Your mother has to be polite with all other members of the family. Please. For successful domestic environment, domestic affairs,
My mother has shared issue.
has to share.
My mother has to share issue with father.
Very good. The mother has to share the domestic problem, the domestic matters, clear the household problems with my father. She has to share, and after that they both sit together, they talk, they discuss them, and finally they find something, and that new finding, it results in doing something special, which makes the running of the affairs a real success. Please.
My mother has to look after the things.
Very good. Your mother has to look after the things now, please.
She has to be patient to root out the problems.
Okay. A student, what has a student to do? What has a student to do for different objectives, goals?
A student has to be mature to the extent so he can get the possibilities and can dedicate the activity.
Absolutely. Now, the student has to show the maturity. You mean to say that he has to prove that he knows what's good, what's bad, what's positive, what's negative, what to do, what not to do, what is to be taken, what is to be abandoned. Please.
He has to pay.
He has to pay what?
Fee.
He has to pay fee, he has to deposit fee, he has to pay attention. Clear? Okay.
Yes, punctuality.
He has to show punctuality, he has to observe punctuality, he has to ensure his punctuality, he has to be punctual, he has to be regular. J.
He has to be confident.
He has to be confident. Very good. Please.
Yes, regular work.
He has to do struggles, he has to struggle. Okay, got it.
He has to be many things.
He has to do many things now. When you are over here with me, you spent 1 hour 15 minutes like that, during your stay at Silla over here with me, what have you to do? What have you to do?
We have to sit properly.
You have to sit properly. You know that I don't like it. No, that you are that sitting in a very awkward position. So you have to sit properly. Okay.
We have to speak English.
You have to speak in English. If you don't speak English, it will be waste of time. As we are over here just to learn how to speak English. Clear? So the one who is not speaking English, no, he will be wasting his money. Again, he will be wasting his time. Please.
We have to participate.
Very good. We have to take part in
Conversation.
conversation. We have to contribute something. We have to express our ideas. Please.
We have to participate.
We have to participate in discussion. Very good. Hassan Puttar, please, what have you to do over here in my presence when you are over here in this class? What have you to do? आपको क्या क्या करना पड़ता है जी? Please.
I have to perform.
You have to perform. You have to perform what?
English.
You have to speak in English. You have to ask questions. You have to give the answers. You have to narrate the statements. Clear?
I have to listen to the teacher.
Very good. You have to listen to the teachers and your friends, your batchmates as well. For conversation. For learning any language is very important. Listen to everybody who is there in your environment. Clear? Not to the teacher only. As Mrs. Zubair is speaking, he is talking. So, what should we do? We should listen to him as well. Everybody should be listened to. Please. Hurry up.
We have to use the confidence to speak.
Very good. We have to show confidence now. Very good.
We have to get rid of hesitation.
Very good. We have to get rid of hesitation because this is again all these things are in your own hand. Ji.
We have to answer the question.
Very good. You have to answer the question now.
We have
Please.
to share the ideas.
Very good. You have to share the ideas now. Please.
We have to cooperate with others.
Okay. My next question is very simple now. See, you are doing your BS in English from the University of Srigoda. You are in grade 8. You are doing your BS engineering. You are FSC from Punjab College Srigoda, Superior College Srigoda. Please. You have done your matriculation now. From which school did you do it? From Government Technical Model High School, Jorabad. Please, Zubair. You are doing BS English now from the University of Srigoda. You are at this stage now. Now, you can say you are at this stage right now just to gain this status whatever you have right now. You have some status now. But now to reach at this stage, what had you to do? What had you to do? The question is clear or not? For example, you can say you are over here at Silla right now. What had you to do to reach Silla? You had to leave your home. You had to leave your home early in the morning. When did you leave your home? At 5. You had to leave your home at 5. Clear? Because you were supposed to be over here at 6:30. See, you had to get up early in the morning. What had you to do to reach over here, to reach Silla?
I ride on the bike.
You had to start your bike. You had to take your bike. Please.
I have to pass my FSC.
Very good. You are at a status right now, at some stage, no, at BS level, no. So before that, you had to pass your FSC. You had to qualify BSc. Please.
I had to live in hostel.
You had to live in the hostel, no, to achieve, no, that your FSc degree. Ji. Hurry up.
I had to pass 10th mission.
Okay. Absolutely. You had to qualify the admission test. Very good, no. Ji, if you had not qualified, you would not have achieved it. अगर आप वो ना करते तो ये कभी भी आपको न मिलता जो अब आपकी बात है जी।
I had to be regular in my study.
Very good. You had to be regular in your study. This is the regularity in studies, which made you a successful man. Please. What had you to do? Finish. See, suppose we are there in paradise, in Jannah. We are there in Jannah, and we are interviewing a person who is enjoying the blisses of Jannah, of that garden. Our question is, gentlemen, you are over here in the garden, in Jannah. So what had you to do to reach at this platform to enjoy the blessings of Jannah, the blisses of Jannah, the pleasures of Jannah? What would he say?
So that he had to be
Very good.
faith on Allah Almighty.
Very good.
Read on his case.
So, the situation is clear that we are interviewing a person who is there in Jannah, and our question is, gentlemen, you are enjoying the blisses, the pleasures of Jannah. Let us know what had you to do to be able to enjoy it. So his first reply is, he had to believe in Allah Almighty. He had to ensure his trust in Allah Almighty. Please.
He had to serve humanity.
He had to serve humanity. And that is the service of humanity which finally led him to Jannah, paradise. Ji.
He had to have good deeds.
He had to do good deeds. Very good. That's why he is there in Jannah right now. Please.
He had to be a Muslim.
He had to be Muslim, mean he had to follow the teaching of Islam. Please.
He had to perform.
He had to perform what?
He had to
He had to perform his duties honestly. Please.
He had to love humanity.
He had to love humanity.
He had to serve his life to worship Allah.
Absolutely. He had to lead his life in worshipping Allah Almighty. Please.
He had to be die-hard lover of love.
Excellent. I met a student who won gold medal in recently. Which result was declared? Recently, the latest result. Matriculation, a gold medalist, that's scoring 1080, 86, I think, low board. What's that? The exact number? 1076. See, 1076 out of 1100. Gentleman, just for scoring such a great, outstanding, remarkable result, what had you to do? Guess what would be the answer? Which answer?
We had to work.
No, I'm talking about that student.
He had to study 22 hours out of 24.
He had to study most of the time. He had to study most of his time. Let's say your point of view. Ji.
He has to do hard work.
What?
He
He had to
do
hard work. उसे बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ी जी. What else had he to do? उसे और क्या क्या करना पड़ा जी to achieve?
He had to quit extra activities.
Very good. He had to quit the extra activities. Very good ji.
He had to turn night into the day.
Excellent. He had to spend even the nights awakening, studying, revising the lessons, learning the answers, etc. Please.
He had to listen the lecture attentively.
Very good. He had to listen to the lectures attentively. He had to do the work regularly, punctually. Very
He
good.
had to pray for Allah.
He had to pray. He had to pray to Allah Almighty, to empower him to do more and more. Please, a student,
He had
the topper, the gold medalist,
he had to be a good health. He had to be a good health.
he had to maintain his health, by eating, that balanced diet. Clear? Okay.
He had to obey the parents.
Okay, the last question to you. I want to learn English. I want to develop my English communication skills. What should I do? No, let me know, please. I want to develop my English communication skills, and you're expert. I want to know, to seek your suggestions, your opinion. What should I do? I want to improve my English. Please.
You should communicate with Mr. Ali.
Very good. I should communicate in English, whosoever that person is. Especially if someone knows English. So I should speak, in English. I should converse in English without any kind of hesitation. Clear? I should converse in English without hesitation. Please.
You should understand that without practicing, we are not going to get anything.
Excellent. I should believe that without practice I can't achieve that. So if I want to achieve that, if I want to be perfect or good at English communication, so what should I do? I should practice and practice. Please.
You should study English literature.
I should study English literature, mean English books, simple, the books, if I want to study Islam, so in the books, they should be in English, If I want to watch movies, the movies should be in English. If I want to listen to the music, and I should try to listen to the English music. Clear? Okay. I want to improve or develop my English communication skills. What should I do?
You should ask questions to clear your concept.
Excellent. I should ask questions. I should not feel ashamed. I should not hesitate. I should ask questions to clear my concepts. As if my concepts are clear, what will happen? I will be able to communicate in English. Very good, better, please.
You should recognize that typical view that English is only spoken by Englishmen.
Excellent. Beautiful. Very good. I should develop some sort of a new faith. If person A can do, I can also do it. Very good. Please.
You should surf the internet.
I should surf the internet, but keep in mind the language, it should be English. By default, if you set that it is your default language is Urdu, so it won't give you anything. Clear? English, please.
You should listen to Mr. Duncan.
Video. I should I should watch Mr. Duncan videos. Okay.
And convert the topic into on simple English.
Absolutely. And I should apply the same topic. Absolute. Apply on the current situation. We should take idea. Just listen to the sentences and try to recreate the sentences. Recoin the sentence.
Mr. Duncan words.
Absolutely. Take words, vocabulary from that, idea from that, as Zishan said, that concept from that, and apply that concept wherever you are. Very good. Please.
You should keep making mistakes in English speaking because mistakes lead to success.
Absolutely. We should not be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is a quite natural phenomenon. Clear? If we make mistakes, so my friends are over here in my, you can say, environment, they will be rectifying me, they will be correcting me. Clear? And by that, I can improve, and I'll keep improving. Please. Okay, for tomorrow class, what should we do for tomorrow class? We have a class tomorrow, so that I can plan. Please, what should we do for the tomorrow class? Please, hurry up.
Attend the classes.
But what should we do during that class?
We should discuss a new topic.
We should discuss some new topic for tomorrow class. It means the new topic should be discussed. We should discuss the new topic means some new topic should be discussed. Please.
We should complete the remaining video.
Very good. We should complete the remaining videos. It means that the remaining videos should be completed. Please.
We should watch 47
Okay.
Mr. Duncan 47 videos.
Okay, many videos are there, no, that 100 plus right now. So we should watch, no, the remaining videos of Mr. Duncan. Clear? You mean to say that the remaining videos of Mr. Duncan should be watched tomorrow, all the videos.
We should watch the movie of Miss Julia.
Very good. That is the no, that Oxford English learning, no, that episode 1 we started yesterday and we should resume it. Clear? It means now that episode 1 should be resumed. We are talking about tomorrow class only. Please, what should we do for the tomorrow class? Hurry up. Hurry up, people. What? We should learn new words, new vocabulary, and we should practice them. We should use those words in the sentences of our own. Very good, please.
We should clear concept with Holy Quran.
Again, we didn't discuss the Holy Quran today, and really, thank you very much for reminding me, that we should keep talking about the message of Quran. That's a message of love and peace. Clear? That's a message of respect. Ji beta, please. What should we do today? Even we didn't talk about Gulmoon and Fatavi. Thank you very much.
One of us go to the diary.
What?
One of us.
Absolute. This is very good. That each one of you should be called at the dais. Clear? To take the questions, to respond to the question, or to narrate the statement. Thank you very much.